All right, day 70. Number 1, translate rectangle ABCD 3 units to the left and 5 units up. So we're just going to move it 3 units to the left first and then 5 units up. So let's look at point A, and we'll be able to use that to go ahead and move the rest of our stuff. So, well, let's actually do A and D. So move it 3 to the left. So 1, 2, 3. The new one is here. And then you should know that your B is going to move the exact same amount. 1, 2, 3. Here's our new B and our new C. So this is stage 1. We've just translated it 3 to the left. Okay, and now our final transformation is going to be the blue. All right, so we're then going to translate it 5 units up. So we're just going to move it all the way 5 units up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is our new A. And then same thing for our B. Same thing for our D and our C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there we go. C and D. So we got our A prime, B prime, C prime, and D prime. So this blue is our final answer. Oops, sorry about that. So here's our final answer. All right, moving on to number 2, figure ABC is dilated by a scale factor of 2. Draw and label the new figure. So let's go ahead first and let's identify the coordinates of this original triangle. So point C is at -1, 1. Point B is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 3. Sorry, -5, 3. And then point A is at -5, 1. All right, so we're just dilating by a scale factor of 2. Dilation means we're just making it either bigger or smaller, and we're going to make it bigger because the scale factor of 2 is bigger than 1, so we know it's going to be bigger instead of smaller. So all we're doing, anytime you see a scale factor, you're just going to be multiplying. Okay, so when I say I'm dilating by a scale factor, I just mean I'm multiplying by the scale factor, and our scale factor here is 2. All right, so we're going to multiply every single point, every single value by 2. All right, so our new C prime is going to be -1 times 2, 1 times 2. So that'll give us -2, 2. All right, so -2, 2 is our new C prime. And I'm actually going to write that in a different color. All right, moving on, we have our B prime. B prime is going to be equal to -5 times 2, 3 times 2. So that'll be, that'll be -10, 6. -10, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops. Wrote that in a different color. And then finally we have our A prime, which needs to be -5 times 2, 1 times 2. That'll be -10, 2. -10, 2. All right, and we've got our new triangle. And it said to make sure you draw and label your new triangle or our new figure. So we have our C prime here, our B prime here, and our A prime here. I'm going to go ahead and erase the original stuff I wrote just so it looks a little more neat. And this is all you should have here. All right, and that is it for today.